Deleting DataFrame row in Pandas based on column value. I have the following DataFrame. I need to remove the rows where line_race is equal to 0. What's the most efficient way to do this?
If I'm understanding correctly, it should be as simple as
but for any future bypasses you could mention that df equals df_race not equal 0, doesn't do anything when trying to filter for none/missing values. Does work. Doesn't do anything. Does work.
Just to add another solution, particularly useful if you are using the new Pandas assessors. Other solutions will replace the original Pandas and lose the assessors.
If you want to delete rows based on multiple values of the column, you could use to drop all rows with values 0 and 10 for line_race.